Hello Odooers, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the new features introduced in Odoo 19.4 and the later version like before 19 point 4 like 19.32, right? So these are like most recent features introduced in Odoo Online. So I am currently on Odoo Online SaaS 19.4, and let's say we will see features one by one. So let's say first one we will see in, let's say here, if I open the sales application and if I open any quotation or order. So the first feature is now we can easily add a email CC when we are trying to send email or send message. So let's say if I want to send email from here, you can see here I can select the recipient, right? And also here this CC field I can add here manually, like I can select the context, right, as a CC. And also if we send message from here, let's say here we can select CC, right? So this is the new feature introduced. So we can select on all different application. This is not only for the sales application only. Let's say if I want to send from here, let's say I can select CC, right? So this is the first feature. And the second one is, let's say if we open any record and if we want to set up the activity, let's say if I schedule a new activity, then I can select a role of the particular assignee, like which like person is right. So let's say we can create a new role which user, right? So this is the new feature introduced. And another one, it is for administrator related. So currently I have activated a developer mode. If I go to settings and then technical, and here I can find the, let's say, let's see if I go down, and yeah, this one, attachments, right? From the administrator side, now administrator can like download the attachments in zip file. Let's say if I go to list view and let's say if I select this and if I want to download, then it will automatically download in the zip file, right? So this is the new feature for easily we can like download more file. And the second one is we can download invoices in bulk. Let's say if I go to the accounting application and here the sales invoices, now I can download easily from here the invoices which is like invoice attachment which is generated from the record. Like let's say if I create any invoice, let's say if I select and confirm, if I print or send invoice, let's say if I send this invoice, so it's added in the chat, right? So now we can download attachments, this invoices and attachment, like multiple invoices attachments by clicking on this download button, right? So it will download all the invoices generated from the send button, right? So this is the new feature introduced. And the another one is for the different company, different like country based partners, like they have different identification number. Let's say for different country, different like type of company or organization, they are managing a different number. So for that we have introduced here like tin, this number, and also dunes company ID, so we can add multiple identification number here. So this is the new feature introduced in 19.4 online version. And now the most important is a very useful feature. We can like create let's say if I go here and if I create a quotation, let's say if I select this product and if I go back here, the tax is 15 percentage, right? So this is the untaxed amount, taxed amount, and total. So this is tax excluded. It means it will write first the base amount and then tax. If you want the total and the display of this order included tax, then you can write like the total is like the your price is included with tax, right? So it will not add extra tax like plus your unit amount. It will include already in your unit price, right? So in this way we can easily like change from here tax excluded and tax included amount. So this is very useful feature, but I suggest we need to like carefully review your accounting and order system whenever you are using this, because it will whenever we generate and we send the quotations to customer confirm order, then you need to carefully review this because this is related to the tax purpose, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you, and next we will also create a new video to explore new like small features introduced in Odoo 19 point like 1 2 3 4, right? The versions, right?